The day unfolds in a breakneck pace. Last Tuesday morning, Move.ph broke the news that the Supreme Court issued a temporary restraining order on the enforcement of a watchlist order against former President Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo and husband Jose Miguel. The vote was 8-5, with all three appointees of President Aquino dissenting. Past 2 p.m., the High Court spokesman confirmed the news.
The court has issued a temporary restraining order in the cases of filed by Congresswoman Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo.
The decision means Arroyo can immediately fly abroad even if government is investigating plunder and electoral sabotage charges against her. But many were surprised that the Arroyo camp planned to leave the very same day. The lawyer of the former first couple, Ferdinand Topacio, told reporters his clients were leaving at 5 p.m. for Singapore, then Spain. Journalists rushed to the Ninoy Aquino International Airport, but the Arroyos were no-shows. Past 7, an ambulance finally came at the departure area for ordinary passengers, bearing the president-turned-congresswoman-turned-patient. A media frenzy ensued. With all the jostling, Arroyo's son, Representative Mikey Arroyo, was at a loss on how to bring his mother inside the airport. Finally, the public got a glimpse of the former president on live television for the first time in months. Arroyo lost weight and looked frail, but showed no reaction to the mayhem.
We want to have the best treatment. We want to go abroad for Jimmy's treatment.
When she got into the building, reporters thought the story was over, but not so fast. Arroyo spokesperson Elena Bautista Horn says immigration officials barred her boss from leaving upon orders from Justice Secretary Laila De Lima.
I have ordered the Bureau of Immigration and requested the Secretary of the Department of Transportation and Communication to direct the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines, or CAAP, and the Ninoy Aquino International Airport, or NAIA, management and personnel to exhaust all actions to implement the watchlist order against the Arroyos.
This left Arroyo with no choice but to return to her ambulance and leave for St. Luke's, Taguig. At this point, Horn could not help but turn emotional in describing her boss's ordeal.
Hinold ng immigration ang documents ng dating Pangulong Arroyo at ang kanyang asawa. And then while holding the documents, in-order po ang eroplano na umalis. Hindi po ito makatao yung ginawa nila na ganyan ang kondisyon ng dating Pangulong Arroyo. Hindi po ito makatao. Nakita niyo lahat ang itsura niya. Hindi tama ang kanilang ginagawa.
The Arroyo camp plans to strike back by asking the Supreme Court to hold De Lima and immigration officials in contempt. The planned flight of former President Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo ends up into a fight between the executive and the judiciary. With government defying a Supreme Court-issued temporary restraining order, the stage is set for a constitutional crisis, this time with higher legal and political stakes. Ayee Macaraig reporting from NAIA.